Hey guys, Rhonda Dracoulis here with RK3 Designs, and we are so excited. We are getting really close to the 10,000 mark on our YouTube channel. We decided to do a giveaway to say thank you. The way to get into this giveaway is subscribe to our channel. On December the 15th, we are going to choose one winner, and that winner is going to get a spot in one of our 101 classes in 2021. So this is a $800 value, guys, and we're super excited to be able to give it to one of our subscribers. So what you'll need to do, don't forget, is become a subscriber and then maybe share the link to someone that may get value out of our channel. We would also love for you to go give us a like on either Facebook and Instagram. All right, so stay tuned. December 15th, we will be announcing a winner. And until then, remember, don't be scared, move forward, and be creative.